everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are on the farm and we are planting cucumber. Well, actually, Velty, the gentleman you saw on the video putting in the drip hose, he's the one planting the cucumber today. Today is the 18th of March and it is above day. Above day means simply means like you know how they have like the agriculture book that tells you which day is the best day to plant crops that grows above ground and which days are best to plant crops which grows beneath the ground. So these books normally follow the moon, so according to moonshine, full moon, new moon, and all of these stuff. But they have different days for different months and for different months. Okay, so we are going to take a walk in the farm and see what's going on. As you can see, he already planted some of the cucumber seeds already. I think he had finished a pack already, but I'm just getting over here because I was busy doing some stuff at home. However, I'm going to take you down to where he's planting in a minute, but I'm just showing you what he has planted out so far. These are 1 foot drip holes and he is planting out the cucumber seed. It's about halfway through by now. What you're looking at on the ground is called grass or mulch. I'm explaining especially for overseas viewers because they often ask what is that on the ground and what is it for. Here in St. Elizabeth, it's very humid and hot, and the ground is tends to be very dry, especially in the drought period. So we mulch the farm or the fields to keep the plants cool. So I'm going to take you down to the section of the farm where he's at now. And you can see how he's planting the cucumbers. But what I want, guys, I want to plant the cucumber next time on, what do you call it? On a stick or whatever they call it. Yes, stick them so they can grow up on the line, like on the string go across. So like if me have other crops in here, we can still plant the cucumber and you know it's not taking over the field. I gotta take over? No, but me see they do it on YouTube and they have like multiple crops.
Like greenhouse.
No, outdoors. Yep. Yes. Yeah, because a lot of the time they will ask about like how come we don't plant it.
Something else nice.
No, how come we don't plant it on the stick?
Okay.
But us in St. Elizabeth, most of us in St. Elizabeth, we plant it on the ground.
On the ground.
Yeah. And this man is a veteran cucumber farmer, so he knows what he's doing.
Yeah.
But I want to do it on the stick, but I just need somebody who understands how to plant it like that, so we can do more than one crop in the farm. Yeah. Explain how you're planting the cucumber seed.
Okay. And the drip, 1 seed to 1 drip hole.
Right.
1 seed to 1 drip hole. Can't plant it deep.
So you wet the hole with the zip drip, right?
So when we finish now, we just turn on there and get 5 minutes.
Right.
Everything wet down back. What's it there? Wet dirt. See it?
Yeah.
Wet dirt.
Right.
So you just plant in there wet dirt for the drip run already.
And you tell me something about your hand, you know, for what you
No, you don't make your hand touch by the ground.
Oh.
Because the rats follow the scent of your hand.
Okay.
The rats follow the scent of your hand.
Oh.
So you just do it like this. You drop it in, you don't have to touch the ground.
Right.
Cover it with a machine. And you're gone. See it there? See it? Drop him in. Cover him down. And you're gone.
Yeah.
You can't plant it too deep now.
Right.
Lowest you go 3/4 inch in the earth.
Yeah.
Half inch, 3/4 inch the deepest.
Half inch or 3/4 inch in the earth?
Yeah, 3/4 inch the deepest.
Okay.
Alright, let's show you. See? Just crack it like that.
Do it again?
No, like we dig it up so. Just crack it like that.
Yeah.
About that. Say about half inch that, no so?
Yeah.
See there.
Okay.
You don't want to go too deep there, you know, grow.
But you don't realize something, the sweet pepper still a spring back up. I mean the sweet potato still a spring back up.
We don't watch that two jump in there.
So you only plant one seed?
Yes, one seed. Right.
Yeah.
One seed. I remember say them close.
Yeah.
No man, the man you no problem man. You see head up wet.
Yes.
You see?
Mm-hmm.
So wet go deep.
Only for moisture. Oh, you find sweet potato? What? Sweet potato, you see that?
Alright, what you know? Let's show you so you don't really wet.
Dry.
See that?
Dry.
You drip not there? So dry be. And you see there's a wet go right down to the bottom.
Yeah.
So this is now like when we dig up yourself soft.
Right.
Really about cracky. Drop in one. Don't put in too low. Now you hear that?
Yeah. So guys, this is Velty.
4 to 5 days.
Yes.
4 to 5 days starts the cucumber.
Right.
I fast in a 6-week crop. You know?
Yes.
When it's fast.
How long melon take?
Some melon take 3 months, some melon take 9 weeks.
Oh.
Yeah, the stripey. Stripe one them.
It's not the stripe one I buy. I buy the white skin, clear skin one.
That was sports with.
Light green.
If I hybrid in a 9 week, you know.
Hybrid?
In a 9 week. But the cucumber takes 6 weeks.
Yeah.
Cucumber fast like a chicken.
Yeah. So we're gonna plant it out and then about in a 6-week time we can come and pick cucumber.
Yeah, 6 weeks time.
Yeah.
Yeah. 6
but
to
you
7
see,
weeks are reaping. And
yeah.
I don't know, 1 week you have a pick for you. If you start picking like in the 6 week, you have 7, 8 weeks, maybe 3 weeks.
Yeah.
Picking and then cucumber quail up again. And if you're ready to plant again, you plant again.
Right.
3 to 4 weeks you pick for.
Yeah. After cucumber, man, I'm going to try the melon because I never tried it before.
Yes. So, melon, really deep up for you.
Yeah. Yeah, it was the melon. And then you teach me like a sense. You say, why you not do the cucumber first? Make back your money where you use the grass, get grass and get the drip. Yeah.
And then you put down different crop. Yeah.
Right. Me da go ask you something about the. Oh, me I say me never get for video and show them how the dog them it bite up the drip holes.
You want to hold there, you can't show them where the dog them drill out.
Yeah.
So drill there and then drill one up there. So
yeah.
We can make the drip them stay.
Yeah.
We can show you something.
Yes.
Let's go this one and connect back.
Boy.
I'm trying to connect back again.
See where the dog drill out the hole?
Yes, but we connect it.
Bite out the hole of the drip.
Let's try to connect one drip there.
I try them to connect down here, son. And one up.
One down this too.
Mm-hmm.
We have 4 and 5. Lord have mercy, hard to find now.
Yeah.
Let me do the connection. Well, I'm going to find it.
Yeah.
The one they never put the one and they pull it.
Oh.
The one and pull it.
Yeah. So what's one piece there?
Yeah. Connect here, so look.
Oh.
Let me make a connect back. Let them bite seed piece or they bite out. Let them bite out.
Yep.
The whole hole there, them put the teeth hole.
Then bite it up. Look there, guys. And dog teeth. Bite up the whole of the drip.
I work beside this morning.
Yeah.
There's a chief, 2, there's a chief, 4 of them, you know. Every connect back, you know.
Wife in our work this morning, she just a relax. Look like she fall asleep in the pool.
Yeah, apprentice when they go to this last thing. Yeah, man, is the one.
But she can reap.
What? I pick one. Let's go ahead to pick it up.
Then you have to go and deal with the picking for me, you and she.
She love that.
Yeah. Sweet potato there. Awesome.
When I weed up the ground, you weed up the ground.
Yeah, man. I
And
know.
when I weed up the ground, I cook my bread over and go for that cup. No, take a time and weed up now.
Yeah. But cucumber, I mean sweet potato, one of the hardest thing. It easy to get rid of.
Land.
Yeah.
You can work for it.
Yeah.
And weed off it.
Right.
And more you weed, when you weed out it, you know, there's stungy again. But cucumber fast. So by it to develop and look how long it takes it then and grow back. By it to develop and say it go run, you reap or you crop.
That's true. Hmm?
Over this one. Right over this one. So I get the greenhouse over there done.
But here what? No, true, you're busy here now, man. One over the clean off
I'm
bad.
clean off over there for you, man.
Cause most are over the dry down, you know.
At the tree I talk about your gungo for me, I clean up my haul up your gungo then.
Then I can haul up. You can haul up the gungo cause I'm ready for work.
When I come here, I buy come and pick a gungo, I haul them up and I have to use a machine, you know, because the whipper, you know.
Oh yeah.
I
true.
already, that is the yam.
Yeah.
You haul out the yam.
Yeah.
We can use the whipper man quick time.
And I say my banana tree and me.
I clean up your ground again, you know, like all this, I clean up your plant back in melon, you know. We don't want no machine, you know, because whipper is pretty.
Yeah, the whipper clean it properly.
Right now, if you buy it, you know, put no whipper up here. I'm going to have a plant tomorrow, and I will use that.
Oh, how much cucumber seed coming at the pack?
1,000.
Oh, 1,000.
We do one come right. We probably show you again. Why this is a blue bag there?
Oh,
That's a 1,000. Right.
okay.
1,000 seed do that. So I put on there now. So I got about 300 or about 400.
So the 2,000 we do this ground then?
Yes, man. I will live for one about here.
Because remember we run out of drip hose down there, so. But which part you think we can get the 100 foot? Because a 2 farm store we check and they say they not sell
They not
it.
sell it, so.
Yeah.
You check that van?
Around a Donovan we go first.
When is it? Man. No, maybe you could have checked.
Oh, maybe we can get drip hose on Rodney.
Aye, but you have it.
I'm not have to buy no drip hose because
I know me have few what they doing about some of them kind of not so hot.
Rodney must have somewhere where still good, man. Let's check Rodney.
You have to buy down what? Why some of them like sell it by the roll?
Yeah.
One of the roll then.
Because that you must say, oh, the roll. 20 grand for the roll. And
Really? How much feet? The 2 feet one supposed to be cheaper.
the 1 foot one we ask for.
Oh, the 1 foot one cheaper than 2 feet, and 2 feet one are same fee.
Oh.
You know who they have idea, right? Be?
Oh.
Yes, man. Thank you. It's a good plant time for them.
Eh?
Wow, no one put this, man. That's why I'm glad to
So what going to happen with the melon like our 1 foot drip this?
yeah, like a cucumber, some people plant it like a cucumber. One.
Then that not go too close?
No, if I remember say the step.
Oh.
I'm on 3 feet the step, you know.
Oh. Okay, okay.
So when I plant the melon on one step there, so one step there, so not 2 melon I put in a hole. So let me say if you have one, that's a one, that's a one, that's a I got 2.
So you just plant one seed?
Yeah, one. If I went 2 feet deep, without me that done plant already. You know.
Yeah.
But you need to be tighter, you know, with it.
Yeah.
It take a little bit more time. When I come out there, let me cut my lip and see if that's all you know. You know, like I tell both maybe 132.
Yeah. But yeah, go fast.
I'm the one done it today.
I dog them, oh God, every evening, every morning.
On the way better get rid of them because if you don't get rid of them, you're not going in trouble. Remember me tell you that, Martha, you have to get rid of them. Be sure Rasta something still, we don't know. Which part them walk right there, so. See the hook there road there.
Yeah, right there. So they walk
Right,
on down the road down there. So.
Chop some maca, put here so. Chop
Yeah.
some maca, put there. Look what they do down there, so. Like a football and play.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Oh. You know, you have to chop the maca and put them there.
What you have to do?
Just chop the maca and put them there. So they can pass.
Don't find different area coming in, but they kind of slow them down.
Yeah.
They come too for me fence same way, you know. But they can't come too far, so it's like clap all the score on them. They don't come back. Look here.
Rasta crap them with this pole, man. Yeah.
I them this, you know.
Me know say them.
Okay. Why them have to dig hole and cut all the jeep them? Me no know. What make? Where them a look? You want all the while. That's who they not train, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, dog, not some place to train everything. They don't go in there, they not go in there.
That's true.
But they have people that have dog like a wire. That's how dog will lead dog like.
And the one of the dog now and the dog them, you know.
What's that? Dog, you know, it's a clean here, dog. I think they may have more to me, I think. Angela, Angela decided to feed the dog.